Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting a reset now. First, open the Nest app and verify the exact camera model and current firmware so you know which reset routine to use. Once done, make sure your phone is on the same network and that you have the Wi-Fi name and password available. This saves time when re-adding the device. Next, keep the camera powered with the original adapter. Do not rely on batteries or low power hubs, so the reset completes without interruptions. Now perform the factory reset step by step. Find the reset button or pinhole on your Nest camera and use a thin tool if required. Press and hold according to your model, usually between 10 and 20 seconds, until the LED changes color or blinks rapidly. That visual cue confirms the camera cleared settings. While it's resetting, keep it powered and keep the Nest app open. Watch for on-screen prompts so you can immediately start the resetup when the camera finish by re-adding the camera in the Nest app. Sign in, choose Add Product, and follow the QR code or setup prompts while providing your Wi-Fi credentials. Once connected, update firmware and run a live feed test to confirm audio and video work properly. If something goes wrong, try this single best troubleshooting tip. Reboot your router and switch the phone to the camera's 4 GHz network. Then re-attempt setup. Most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.